So guys, first method, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator, type ReGSVR32 space ResampleDmo.DL, then hit enter. Okay, I enter wrong. Okay, and then you can see this success, then click to close, then next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.